What's up, guys? Welcome back to the world of Justarr.the.dancer. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm here with...
Hi guys, this is girl Amo. Don't forget to go follow my channel as well. And also, don't forget to follow my socials. Typical_Amo on TikTok and Amo_XOXO on IG.
So today I'm gonna be doing a vlog for me going to dye my hair. Okay, name.
Dun dun dun.
Okay, so now we're just gonna walk to the mall because it's not that far. I'm gonna be doing an OOTD, and my girl Amo here is gonna be starting first. And
Okay, we have young blue Crocs, low-key kind of oversized. We have my black socks. You can never go wrong with like normal black socks. Then we got this young baggy shorts. What do you say? Then we have this oversized shirt that I'm obsessed with right now. Then we have this cute little boomer cap. You know, we can't leave the house with no name.
okay.
Oh, and then for jewelry, and then I have an umbrella, and my bag. Then I have my bag, my mid bag, and then I have my umbrella. For jewelry, I just have this butterfly gray necklace. I was gonna wear the gold one, but it wouldn't match my outfit. And then for you have my watch, and that's it. I can hold the camera for you if you want.
I'm wearing these shoes that I got from
Call my sister.
This oversized t-shirt that I'm like obsessed with, a black bonnet. You'll never get wrong with a bonnet. And then I have this white socks and this oversized shirt, like baggy
Shirt.
yeah.
White is good.
Ah,
It looks like that.
shirt.
It's an oversized shirt. It's a baggy shirt.
Oh yeah,
It's not.
this is a shirt. That's not a
Okay,
shirt.
it's a shirt, bro.
Pants.
That is a baggy shirt.
Shorts. Yeah,
This is
it's
a baggy.
short.
Oh my. Okay. What? I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
what depends on the shirt.
Yes.
Oh, I thought you took me.
Yeah, these oversized black
Why would
pants.
those boys look at us?
Eh?
Why would those boys look at us?
I don't know. I don't care. Like, I don't care. You looking at me, I don't care. So yeah. See you later. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back. We're now at the shop because I needed something to drink. So yeah, we're still heading to the mall, but it's not far from here. So we'll see when we get there. Bye. Hi guys, we just arrived at the mall, so come, let's get into it. Oh, noisy. It's noisy. Like, I will see you guys when I get to the salon because like, my hair, like, it's not giving. You see? And I'm gonna do that post that says like, if I'm not so, then I'm deserving so. Alright guys,
Look at the big study, guys. Big study.
Yeah, I'll see you when I get there. I'll see you when I get there. So bye.
food that you guys eat? You look like a green flashlight. Near glass. You look like a green flashlight.
Still, I'm checking it.
It's too white for your face. It's too bright.
That white, huh? That is red.
Yeah. I mean, it is. That would be super wrong.
Okay.
Ako since at home.
No, I can't say that.
I'm less tired than all before.
I know he was sitting down.
I got like, but I'm thirsty and I'm hungry. Can we please get the food snacks or anything and go home? It's so loud in here.
Yeah, it is.
Look at the cute scene.
So guys, we're gonna buy some stuff. Some stuff. It's on sale.
It is
I think we forget who we are when we are in public.
No, you forget who you are. I'm a mature adult.
What did he say?
No, tired. No. Oh, hi guys. We just arrived at Chicken Pay and we're gonna buy those spicy noodles for because we're gonna be doing a spicy noodles challenge. So yeah, here are they.
Are you sure they are? They are bulldog noodles.
The bulldog noodles that we're gonna buy. So like it's 170 rand. So I don't know if we should buy the whole
Oh,
package
my sister.
or one.
How much is one? That's for
I
whole
think
packet.
it's I don't know. Okay, I'm looking for like, but they sell them in noodles. So like it was the same as the same.
Just ask someone.
Let's go ask her. I have to see a workout.
Where is she?
Let's go check the outside. I'm crazy. I think I'm crazy. I think okay guys, just found these flavors. We bought these because yeah. So yeah, we're gonna buy these ones.
You know my talent is not snacks. This is coffee stuff. Let me show you my talent. My talent is to talent.
I get pain. You got not guys, we decided to go get the trolley because a basket.
Take it easy, dog.
I think I want this Red Bull energy drink.
You want? I think sour. What one? You want to try sour?
And I'm not a person with sour things. Okay, so guys, now we're gonna go to KFC because we hungry and we want food. So yeah, we're gonna go to KFC. Same as last time. Hi people, we just came back from the mall and I'm extra tired. So, tell me about yourself.
You start.
I have short temper too. I'm stubborn.
You're stubborn. I understand what I see.
3, I'm crazy. 4,
Okay.
I'm nice.
How do you put all of that in the same nice? I mean, I am energetic, happy, moody, crazy. I'm just a lot. What else?
I think that's it.
I'm very active. I play sports. I'm athletic. Okay, next question. Okay. What next question is, why did you start YouTube? Why did you start YouTube?
I love creating content.
I just like making YouTube videos because it's memories. Your memories are out there. It's a very nice experience, a nice feeling to be like, oh, I'm making an impact in the world.
What are your YouTube goals?
What are your YouTube goals, start? Or should I start? My YouTube goals are more subscribers. If we can hit 200 subscribers.
If I hit 1K likes in a month.
That's interesting.
And if I hit 500 subscribers in like the next 12 months.
What's my turn? What are your socials? What's your TikTok and your Instagram if you have Instagram, if you have TikTok? And what other social media apps do you use?
Okay, then I use TikTok and I want to create a new Instagram account because the old one, I don't know where it went, so like, yeah. So like,
Next question.
how old are you?
How old are you? Do you have a boyfriend?
I don't date boys.
So you don't have a boyfriend?
Yeah, I feel.
I also don't have a boyfriend. Favorite color?
Black.
I understand, Mom. I don't really have a favorite color.
No, like black, pink, white.
Mine are black, white, and blue. Baby blue is the best colors.
And are you posting again?
When am I posting again? Okay, I don't know if I can say this on your channel, but I am posting some more videos in December, and then I'm gonna post a January video coming soon. I have about 5 videos coming out on YouTube for this month. Before Christmas, I'll have 5 videos, at least more or less out. Oh, how tall are you? I'm 5'2", baby. How tall are you?
6 foot.
6'40"? You 6 foot? That's crazy, but she's taller than me, so I believe that. How have you ever gotten into a fight?
At school?
Anyway.
Yes. It was at school. So it was on a Friday. So I was at school and then there's this group of girls, they were making fun of me. So like there's this one girl that I know and me and that girl now, we are best friends. Like instantly. So after like they were speaking like a lot of things about me and then I said you shouldn't be speaking because you know that you're a skinwalker. So like she's like, after school is after school. I was like, okay, I accept that. So after school we went outside, and then when we were outside, there was this group of our classmates. They said that fight.
And you fought.
No, I was like, no, I'm not gonna fight you. And she was like, oh, you're afraid of me. I was like, you pissing me. I was pissed. You see? So like, I was like, Jude, on the ground. It was fast. Like, I don't know even how I did it, but I did it. So yeah. So they took us to the principal, and then they wrote us down on the blackboard.
What's the blackboard?
It's this book where like you cause trouble, you see. Yeah, and they won't forget. One mistake, you're suspended or expelled. So yeah, we got suspended for like 7 days. Yeah. So I went back to school on Thursday, the next week. Like Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Next question. What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Oreo.
Oreo, understandable.
Weird enough,
I don't have a favorite ice cream flavor because I don't really like chocolate and any flavors. I just feel like vanilla or cookies and cream, or just in general cookies or vanilla flavor. Next question. Favorite fast food? What's your favorite? My favorite personally is McDonald's.
I was gonna say the same thing.
McDonald's is a typical favorite place for everyone. Not gonna lie.
It has the best food.
It's just the prices that have me on some DIY. Are you a crash out? Are you a crash
No, I don't. I'm not always fighting, but
I'm a crash out.
I have short temper. Like, I get angry fast. Do something wrong, I'd be like, hey, what are you doing this? Hey, this. You see? That's how I am.
What? So you looking at me like that?
Well, that's no sense. What's your sign?
I'm a Libra.
Aquarius.
Oh.
Okay. Do you have wrist?
Oh, yeah, that's right. You know, like my favorite pickup line used to be. Do you know what my favorite pickup line used to be? I from Tennessee, because there's only 10. I sing.
Okay, my pickup line was like, I heard you have a boyfriend. And she's like, yeah. And I said, is he a heart donor? Like, is he an organ donor? Then she'll be like, nah, he's not. And I'll be like, why are you dating someone who can't even donate his heart to you?
What the hell, but okay.
Okay.
The one I love now is there are 21 letters.
Yeah. I forgot what I did. I can't forget that you are a cutie. Yeah, there's still 20. Oh, you'll get the D later.
Okay, no, there are 2 letters in the alphabet. What? And then the other guy's like, what, nigga? There are 26 letters in the alphabet. Silly me, how could I forget that you are a cutie? There's no one missing, bro. Oh, sorry, baby girl.
You'll get the D later. My favorite now is the one, like, I saw it at Walden Out. You know that show? Yeah.
That's why I got you a cutie.
Yeah, same. And like, he'd be like, what did he say? I'm sure I met you. Didn't we go to university together? And now we didn't. Also, now we have chemistry.
Oh, so I thought we had chemistry. Didn't we go to high school together? Nah. Oh, sorry, I could have sworn we had chemistry. I'm gonna go get my cinnamon. Fine.
I see. I am here with Amoni, and I don't know what to do. I don't know. But, don't know.
What?
Nothing.
Okay, next question. What's the next question?
Are you seeing anyone?
No. Are you seeing anyone? Do you have a partner?
Maybe yes, maybe not.
Are you in a relationship? My dumpling is so freaking big, bro. It's in the whole plastic.
Yeah, bro. Same shit.
Okay. She's single, guys. She's single. She hasn't, as she said before, she doesn't have a boyfriend.
Right.
How long you don't have a boyfriend?
Oh, I don't date boys. Guys, if you think my hairstyle, I'm like a like. If you think I'm not, then subscribe. To prove her wrong, because she says that I'm a like.
So you want them to not like and you want them to subscribe? Not right. I'm gonna save this for later. But we did buy snacks. You know, I just realized you chose everything. I didn't choose a single flight.
I love them.
Guys, these are bums. These are looking bums. And she loves them. I used to buy this pink one for one of my friends. And then stop happening. Why?
What is
So it's hers. You also want me to mix for you. Sorry.
no problem? I love mixing.
Is that fine? Or no?
It's fine.
There's a cloth there, by the way. Let's taste test. They're looking good. That's so good. You could also mix it with twist. I give it a solid 8. I was about to say 8.5 because it's nice. Just needs, like it should, you mix it with what is it? McFizz. What's it, McFizz? Sprite?
Not my face.
I'm saying you must get a McFizz.
I'm gonna buy a new iPhone when I get my report tomorrow.
These are the questions.
My favorite.
Side eye. Guys, your what you call it thing, your flashlight is here. You look like a glowing flashlight. She's a glowing flashlight. I can't dance. I can't dance to save my life. Alright, come.
Let's see if you really know your dumpling. Kim, I know you're not expecting.
Bye people. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Why are you looking like that? Bye.